I'm gonna take you guys for a drive in the GTI again, like the classic POV drives, and see how bad she performs.
Back in it, happening, ready to blow. I remember doing deeds with Deji from the street, they left me on my own.
And she is slipping, bro.
I told her leave it, mama grow. Then they're ringing off my phone. Then they're ringing off my phone. Life changed, but
actually
mine's
not
made
that
that.
bad.
I ain't got line patience, tried then, don't like bait. Let's come close, swear that. Wait, go see her pack, never boast loud. Get your better whack to my condo where I birth tracks.
And maybe I will blow up the transmission. That makes some great content as well. Ladies and gentlemen, there is something I've been talking about for weeks now on this channel. You guys know that I have a broken clutch. At least it's not broken yet, it is slipping hard. But I was thinking yesterday, like, I've never really shown you guys on video properly on how bad this thing really is after all those weeks. Like, you guys have seen where it all started with those POV drives. Yeah, I've never really shown you till now on how bad it really is right now at the moment, because she shifts like a like a shitbox, really. It's not great, and it doesn't feel right at all, like, and it even makes the car feel slow. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys for a drive in the GTI again, like the classic POV drives, and see how bad she performs. And maybe I will blow up the transmission. That makes some great content as well. It's a huge risk, of course, to drive with this thing. But yeah, it's all for the YouTube science, to let you guys know on how shit this thing performs right now. It's all for the sake of content, of course. Okay, that is quite slow, but she was already a little bit slipping right there. That's how bad it is. And I wasn't even driving this thing in manual. It was just automatic on normal drive settings, not even sport or anything, but she is already slipping. And this is gonna hurt a lot of people, but I'm gonna put it in manual, like shift it back to second. Let's do third. Did you guys hear or see that in the RPM meter? She is slipping, bro. This was third, throttle all the way down, but this was quite low RPMs, but it is bad, bro. Okay, still manual. I'm gonna put it in second gear. I'm gonna put it close so you guys can see it. Like, it builds up RPMs, but it doesn't go forward or anything. Like, it doesn't put the power down from the gearbox to the ground, actually, or to the wheels. Like, that is, most of the times, that is how you know that your clutch is slipping. And that is exactly what this car is doing. It's slipping. Well, let's do one more pull for the sake of content. That one was actually not that bad. That went quite well, to be honest. But you can still feel that she is broken.
Look, I need a shot on a chase. My girl need a wine in the state. My mom need a house for the late. So I got some money to make. They told me I got what it take, so I gotta take it all back. I told them I need my pay. I need my 50 for tax.
Well, I hope it's not too windy for you guys, but as you guys could see in those clips, my car or my clutch is kind of man. I just need to read it out, and I already have some places where I can go to replace the clutch. But yeah, there's just no company that can help me with reading the actual problem, because I want to make sure 100% that it is my clutch and not spend like 2,000 euros on a car and then it turns out not to be my clutch. Yeah, that's kind of a waste of money, so I just want to make sure. But like I said, I haven't found anyone that can help me yet. But I can drive the car, like you guys could see. And I also told you guys that a few videos ago. I can drive it, but I gotta take it slowly to not blow up the gearbox. That means there is not a lot of sound out of the car. Well, it's still a straight pipe, so it will always be loud, but yeah, there's not much sound to enjoy really. Not much hard pulls to under tunnels or anything to enjoy the sound. So the only thing I can do basically is give it a couple reps to hear the sound, because that is the only thing to get some great sound out of this thing right now. Even though I'm in an open area where literally nobody is, I still think I gotta go, man.
En dus begint hij het seizoen in het Midden-Oosten met een zege en eindigt hij het seizoen in het Midden-Oosten met een zege. Wat een fantastisch jaar voor Max Verstappen.
Heel daarachter gaat ze juist voorbij aan Lewis Hamilton, maar het is Tsunoda die toch weer teruggaat.
Eerst Perez, maar Perez krijgt dus 5 seconden penalty. Die zal zo direct toegepast gaan worden, normaal gesproken. Met dus de 8e plaats voor het team van AlphaTauri.
And just like that, the Formula 1 season is over. As some of you guys know, I'm a big fan of Formula 1. I'm watching every race and now the season is over, so don't know what to do in my weekends now. No, I'm joking, I always got something to do in my weekend, but yeah, I just like Formula 1, man. I've already been to a race once, but that was like 3 or 2 years ago, before my whole YouTube career started. Yeah, I've been to a race in Austria, and that was one of the best experiences of my life. I went there with 2 friends of mine, and I had the time of my life there. Someday I want to visit the Formula 1 race again, but the thing is, that shit is so expensive. Like a whole weekend of Formula 1 is like a couple of some nice car mods, I must say. So yeah, I'd rather buy some nice car mods than spend a whole weekend on the Formula 1 track. But Formula 1 is definitely an experience I definitely want to do again in the future, maybe. And of course I'm taking you guys then as well. But enough about my Formula 1 experiences and future plans and all of that. That is maybe something for in the future, like I said. Let's talk about my GTI. A lot of you guys send me a DM with all suggestions what I could do, so thank you for that. I must say I'm not a step further, to be honest, but some of you guys actually recommended some good companies that I could check out, so I still have to check them out. I hope I can get a company to have that written out and whole diagnose on this thing, and then it should not take any longer, or at least it should. Yeah, the job is not easy, but it should not take months or anything. A lot of you guys, like I said, actually recommended some good companies, so hopefully this thing will be fixed very soon. And then one of the biggest updates about my life, or this whole channel thing really. I've been working on a project for the last 9 months, and I'm about to release it very soon. When it must be somewhere in a couple weeks, or maybe next week, maybe the week after. I'm not gonna make any promises, but I'm almost done with it. I'm done with it for 99%. I've been working on it since March or April. I've been busy with it every day. It is something I've never really done, and I've created everything myself, set up everything myself, and yeah, it is something I'm really proud of, and I can't wait to show you guys what it is. Soon I will be releasing the first video and pictures of the project, so follow me on all my socials, TikTok, Instagram, this YouTube channel. Subscribe if you don't want to miss anything, because I'm about to post everything on all my socials, and then you'll see what I've been working on for the last months, man. It is something for you guys to enjoy. It has something to do with cars as well and all of that. Now it's finally finished. I can't tell you too much, but it is coming very soon, so follow me on all my socials. I'm not gonna give you guys any more updates this video, because then it's just too much. I must say there's gonna change a lot in the upcoming weeks, months, or the upcoming year, because it's gonna be New Year very soon, and then I hope to blow up with everything I wanted to do. I've been working super hard for the last years. This is not only just a couple of weeks ago. No, I've been starting a lot of things like years ago, and I feel like now is gonna be the right time to release everything, chase my dreams, let everything happen, get to my goals and live the life I want to live. I know it's not gonna be easy. I know it's gonna be very difficult to get to my dreams because I got some big dreams, some big goals. But I feel like it is possible, man. With the right mindset, it will be possible. I always wanted to do something with YouTube as well. This channel is really building a whole community and I really enjoy that. And it keeps me motivated to make a video every week. I know I'm kind of struggling now to make a video every week or to come up with some original content, but also a lot of you guys send me a DM with if I want to test out your cars or have some suggestions about some video ideas, or you're just supporting me in the DMs or saying you like my videos. I don't know. I just appreciate you guys a lot and I want to say that. And this is just a start, man. It's gonna be a lot bigger than it is right now. The content for the upcoming months, years is gonna be better and better and better. I already got some crazy ideas in my head, and yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for all the support for the last weeks, even though my car is broken and that is sort of the main content of the channel, but you guys still watching my videos, still very supportive. So when I think about the future, I really got a good feeling about it, to be honest. I really see a bright future in front of me and it feels good, man, when I think about the future. I even got some more ideas to have some more content on the channel and maybe some other channels as well. I might tell you everything about it on another video, but I got some more content and YouTube ideas or social media ideas, to be honest. Well, I think that's enough talking. I'm gonna quit talking again and do something else. Oh, see you guys later.
You see me shining on the screen, I'm on a pro Mac. Boy, a daily driver, yeah, that shit's gone fully matte black. Ain't about that classic bro, I got that fully gold black. Shout out to his daddy, think he fresh, but yeah, that shit's whack.